Today, I've decided to unveil some stores that are making way more money than just your day job. These are ones that anybody can learn and anybody can get in on. Newborn baby clothes. Onesies. Now, don't say onesie on Etsy because you'll get banned, not even making a joke here. So you can just market it as baby clothes, newborn baby clothes, whatever. So you can personalize these clothes on Etsy. You can sell these little t-shirts and have the name of the child right there on the chest. It's a very scalable business. It's a very niche market as well to have these, shirts or onesies personalized. And there is one Etsy shop that has made over $2 million selling these types of onesies and other things on their site on Etsy. And they're called, I'm going to shout them out, Juni Grace on Etsy. So they're all like little wearable clothes. Yes, that's really the only thing that they sell on their certain site here are these personalized baby clothes for toddlers, these little summer dresses for tiny children. And this is one of the best markets that I can show you on Etsy. And they're making an absolute killing. Over 74,281 sales alone just by selling these simple little baby clothes. So that was the first one, and now let's move on to the next niche market, which is Christmas ornaments. Now this Christmas season is a multi-trillion-dollar industry at this point, and Christmas ornaments is, believe it or not, one of the best markets. There are millions upon millions of people around the world that celebrate Christmas, that have Christmas trees in their house, and they want as many Christmas ornaments as they can possibly find. Christmas ornaments, get this, sell all year long. All year long, I swear to you. And this is a billion-dollar industry. You can actually get custom-made ornaments. You can customize these ornaments as well. In fact, you can even make them yourself if you'd like. And you can make faces of people's dogs, or you can give them as gifts to people, because of course the Christmas season is a huge gift-giving season. I know it's an obvious thing to say, but that's who you're trying to appeal to when you're trying to sell these certain, Christmas ornaments to people. And so one of the small shops that I've actually taken a look at have been selling these Christmas ornaments for $25.47 as a sale price, and they have been making $97,371.81. Now, this is a very small store on Etsy. There's another store called Keepsake. This is one of the bigger Christmas ornaments. They're trying to sell these ornaments for $9.99 per ornament, and they have 259,050 sales to date as of making this video. That adds up to $2,587,909.50. So they have been making over $2 million just by selling these ornaments on Etsy. That is just incredible. I mean, this is the type of earning potential that I'm talking about here. I'm going to break this one down for you. It's one of the best markets out there. Stickers. Stickers is a humongous niche market. It is very oversaturated. However, let's break this one down for you guys so we can understand this one a little bit better. And me personally, I made a ton of money in oversaturated markets, so I can definitely tell you for a fact that it doesn't matter as long as you scale down the niche. That's very important. If you scale down the niche of these stickers, for instance, you can earn a ton of money in this e-commerce space. So let's just say you're trying to appeal to the goth and emo crowd. So you definitely want to sell some stickers that appeal to that crowd. So, skulls and crossbones and all those sorts of things appeal to the emo crowd, the goth crowd. Another crowd that you can appeal to and is a humongous market is, of course, skateboarders. Skateboarders love stickers because they want to put their stickers on their skateboards themselves, and also snowboards as well. They're kind of the same sort of groups of people that also snowboard and skate as well. So if you scale down the niche to appeal to snowboarders and skateboarders, then you can earn a ton of money based on that group of people. That is called scaling down the niche, to appeal to a certain group of people that would buy stickers. And so the shop that we're going to be looking at today has over 60,734 sales, and they sell a bunch of stickers on their niche Etsy shop. Cool white goth laptop stickers that we were talking about before. Everyone wants to put a sticker on their laptop. You know, these a lot of teenagers, preteens, and even young adults, they want to put their stickers on their laptop. So this is a great tool to kind of take a look at, and one of the reasons why they're making so much money. And I've calculated how much their earnings are based on the price of $8.99 per sticker. They've earned over $544,000, $982. That is a incredible earnings potential right there for stickers. And this is an oversaturated market. It's really incredible that they have earned so much money just by selling on Etsy while this market is so oversaturated, and this is what I'm talking about. And to get started in selling stickers on Etsy is not that hard. It just really doesn't take that much money to get started, if anything at all. You can actually go to a site called Printful and Items, but Print on Demand basically allows you to test a market and see which one is pet portraits. This is a huge one. So let's just say you're either a graphic designer, or if you love to make stuff on Photoshop, you can actually very easily put a pet design on a pet portrait that someone is requesting. So you can have someone's actual dog or cat on canvas, and you can actually sell these canvases either via, you know, whether it's Guten, or you can also get these canvases also from like Walgreens or something like that, just to really get started and understand the market a little bit better. And then after that, you can actually make these canvases yourself, which is a little bit easier than you probably think it is. And these pet portraits are fantastic. They're a great seller. There's a site on Etsy right now. It's called Tiny Fluffy Paws. So shout out to them. They're based in Philly, and they have 14,105 sales. And all they're doing is just selling these custom, cute little pet portraits that people are requesting to be made up. I mean, these are really funny little things that you could sell, and you can get in on this market as well. And they, you know, it's a very high profit margin also in, you know, selling canvases and selling like little custom prints also on Etsy. The next market is one of the best out there. It is a little bit oversaturated on Etsy, don't get me wrong. Of course, signs, depending on what the niche market is. Remember, even though signs is very oversaturated on Etsy, I'm going to teach you exactly how to sell these, okay? And you want to appeal to someone who wants a sign in the bathroom, like a welcome, you know, home sign, or a funny little, like, you know, phrase in the bathroom, like please flush or we'll, you know, kill you. So targeting down your niche market makes you even bigger on the platform Etsy, because you can actually scale up. So you can actually scale the rankings in Etsy if you target a certain niche market. So let's just say you can sell like bathroom signs. So if you're just trying to appeal to people who want bathroom signs or kitchen signs, what have you, again, you can scale the market better. And even though this market is extremely oversaturated on Etsy, you could still make an absolute killing by targeting and scaling down the niche a little bit, so you appeal to a smaller but, you know, very large crowd who wants bathroom and or kitchen, you know, signs. Now, one of the best examples I can give you about scaling down these particular, you know, a particular niche market on Etsy is baby announcement birth signs. So let's just say you're someone, you know, who wants to give a gift to someone who just had a baby. So I'm taking a look at this sign right here by CA Sign Designs. They have 11,001 sales, selling these little, you know, baby name signs at $24. And all you have to do really is just go out to, you know, Michael's Arts and Crafts and just get these like little, you know, personalized like letters, and you can just put them on there, or you can just, you know, paint something on these like little circles. Your profit margins are huge on this one. This, you know, Etsy shop is making a killing just by doing something that's very simple. Now, personally, I like to do passive income. If you're very arts and crafts and you want like a project to do on Etsy, you know, this is a great one for you, and it's not that difficult to do. It would only take about maybe 20 minutes if you start, you know, getting going on making these signs. This is a really scalable business as well, to have these like little cute little baby name signs and birth announcement signs. And this leads to my next one, and that is newborn prints on canvas. And once again, this kind of came from the pet portraits idea, except you're putting your own twist on it, so you can even scale even more from this little niche market and have, you know, newborn prints on these canvases. And you can just go over to Guten, which is a great site. That's a great tip for you guys. I don't even have an affiliate link at this point, but it's really a site that I've used when I first gotten started on selling on Etsy, is Guten. And again, these prints on canvas, as well as these little like portrait prints, is very scalable. On this one, you have a $0 startup cost when you're selling these prints either on print on demand. And you can scale this very high. And once you get a lot of sales, once you get over like 10,000 sales or so, maybe even less than that, then you can actually make them yourself and custom make it. The profit margins are very, very high on these newborn prints. And really all it is just, you know, getting a print from someone that wants a custom made newborn print. They send it to you via email or messages on the Etsy site. And you can absolutely make a killing selling this product. And the market for babies and toddlers is very strong. The next one, trust me guys and ladies out there, it is doable. I was initially scared of selling on Etsy. Not anymore, not even close. I love it. It's one of the most beneficial things that has ever happened to me in my e-commerce career. Etsy is extremely beneficial, and potentially you can even quit your job one day if you're able to sell these products or products that are similar to them. It could potentially take you some time to understand how to sell some of these products, but don't worry, I'm going to have a lot more Etsy shop selling tips and tools on my channel, so remember to check out those as well. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Remember to hit subscribe, like this video for more, and comment below as to what you think of this video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.